In this video, I'll guide you through how to download a file from AWS S3. Whether you're new to Amazon Web Services or just need a refresher on this process, I'll walk you through each step to make it as simple as possible. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access your AWS Management Console. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, look for the S3 service. It's usually among the most popular services, so you should be able to find it quickly. S3 stands for Simple Storage Service, and it's where all your stored data, known as buckets, will be located. Now that you're in the S3 section, you'll see a list of buckets. Think of these buckets as containers for your data, similar to folders on your computer. Select the bucket that contains the file you want to download. If you have multiple buckets and need to search, you can use the search bar to find it more easily. Once you've selected your bucket, you may see a series of virtual folders. These are known as prefixes in S3 terminology, and they help organize your files. Navigate through these prefixes until you locate the file object you need. It's similar to navigating folders within folders on your computer, so just keep clicking until you reach the correct file. When you spot the file you want, check the box directly to the left of the file name. This indicates that this is the file you're interested in downloading. It's always a good idea to double-check you've selected the right file, especially if there are multiple files with similar names. Now, direct your attention to the upper action bar menu options. You should see a prominent download button. Click on it to start your download. Depending on your browser settings, the file may automatically start downloading to your default download folder, or you might get a prompt asking where you'd like to save it. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a file from AWS S3. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look and what to click, but don't hesitate to rewatch any part of this video if you need a little extra help. A quick tip before we wrap up. If you frequently need to download files from S3, consider setting up permissions and access controls to streamline the process. AWS offers a variety of options for managing who can see and do what with your data, so it's worth exploring if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made downloading files from AWS S3 a breeze for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.